What's going on, everybody? Hunza Marage here, the certified VIX 100 King. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. I said that I'll be bringing like energy into this new video and all that. Like it's been a long time since I dropped a video for you guys. So yeah, man. Without any further ado, I'm gonna just jump into the title of the video. If the question is, do you really need a lot of money to just make money off of forex? Now, the answer to that, it will be shown in the screenshots that we have been taking over this past few weeks, whereby we had like small accounts and we actually traded them to you'll see the amounts, and I'll take you guys through the process and um the actual trades on how we made the amounts that we made, how we achieved whatever we achieved. So without any further ado, guys, let me take you guys to the screenshots that we have been taking and then show you guys the progress on the accounts and all that. And then there's this one screenshot that just till today, like it just blows my mind. Like it's like, what's the next level? I'm just questioning and asking myself, like, what more can I achieve? It has opened me to like a different perspective of life. It has given me a different perspective of life, not only in trading but in terms of life. Like, I don't think there's anything that I can't achieve at this point. Like, anything that I want, I know that I can achieve. That's the power of forex. Now, you guys, I want you guys to just delete this mentality that you have been fed by a few of your mentors and all that, other mentors, other forex trading books, because I've read a shit ton of books on trading alone. So I want you guys to delete this one mentality that they have been like feeding you guys and all that you need to risk like 1% of your account. Like, it doesn't make sense. If you have a 500 rand account, why would you risk 1% or 10% of that? It doesn't make sense. You'd get stopped out before you even see your blues. So without me wasting time, ladies and gentlemen, let's go into this. Let's go into forex. Let's go into how we were actually to trade those small accounts and just turn them into huge accounts. So yeah, guys, so this will be our first screenshot, right? So as you can see, we have been credited like 75 rands. So if you know, demo accounts don't have like credits. That's one thing for sure. You'll never find a demo account with credit. So now you know that this is a real account. I want you guys to understand this is a real account. It's legit. So yeah, without any further ado, let me take you guys through the steps. So we actually deposited 150 into this account. As you can see, the deposit is like 75 rands. So you know where I'm going, Mus. The vibes. The vibes. We are given like half of what we deposited as credit. So you guys can see there's no demo account with credit. Number one. Number two, you can see there's already movement. There were like equity is at 797, and then the loss, the drawdown is 600 and something. This one, like, it has been like traded. It is when the account has been traded. But then you guys will see the history. I'm gonna show you everything. So yeah, let's move to the second screenshot. I just like want to focus on this few screenshots and all, so that you guys can get a clear picture. But then where those smaller profits that we made at the beginning of trading this account, like I can't find them. I have a ton of screenshots in my phone. So yeah, as you guys can see, this has been like from a day. This was a day's work, whereby we made a profit of 1,726 on that same account, right? So I'm gonna keep pushing and just show you guys this. So yeah, you can see, guys, the deposit is 150, the credit is 75 rands, then the profit is 4,898.8. So yeah, I want you guys to just take this and just digest what I'm about to give you guys. Just take this serious. We are not here to play games. This is VIX 100 Kings. This is VIX 100 Kings. VIX 100 Kings, way or no way at all. You know, the vibes. It's your boy Honza speaking here. So yeah, take this from a king. Take this from a king. So yeah, as you can see more, this was a day's work. You can see 2022-03 on the 25th, and then you see the times there. Then you see the profit that we were able to log in and secure during 11 past 9. So yeah, let's go into more. You guys see the account reached like 5,942, and we were down to a drawdown of 4,169 rands. Yo, guys, yo, this one, I thought it was done. You were like, I thought we blew this one. This one we were like hoping, yes, yes. We were hoping this one. I know, like hoping it's not a strategy in forex. It does not work in forex. But then yeah, we were hoping, like we've been sitting on this trade for like 2 hours just waiting for it to go into profits. But then our analysis was on point. We went in and we went in hard, you know. No risk, no reward. That's what we go about. We die like real men. That's what we are about. So we came back. So as you can see, we came back and we were able to secure 3,194 on that particular trade. So the drawdown was like, yo, it was heavy. We thought the account was gone. But then now you see 7,378.17 equity. The equity is floating. We have a floating profit of 3,194. So with that being said, patience in forex pays. Patience in forex pays, guys. You need to be patient with forex. So yeah, as you guys can see, we were able to secure 7,937. You can see the deposit 150, credit 75 rands. These are real accounts. So I'll be showing you guys only real accounts, I'm moving. So from there we were able to move this all the way to 10,135. Equity was like 10,135. The balance was at 8,000 by this time. And then yeah, we had like a floating of 1,972 on this particular trade. So yeah, by the end of the day, we were able to secure 10,175 rands with a credit of 75 rand and a deposit of 150. So this is the power, guys. I've been showing you guys the power of forex, and I just wanna show you guys one more picture. This one will blow your mind. Now, this one was made. This entire profit was made in a space of 3 days. In a space of 3 days, we were trading this account. In 3 days, it moved from 150 to 10,175 rands. So I want you guys to take this one and just digest this one. So I'm gonna move back to the charts, but before I go into the charts, there's one particular screenshot that I want to show you guys. So I'm just gonna quickly stop sharing my screen, and then I'm gonna show you guys this particular screenshot. This screenshot is like, this one is like the toppest. This one is number one, you know. This one blew my mind. It's like that one that's what changed everything. This one changed everything, guys. Yo, you will see it, guys. I'm gonna show you in a few. Just give me a sec here to just tone down a bit, yeah. But you guys will see. I tell you guys, forex is the thing. Forex is the future, guys. Forex is the future. So I'm gonna quickly share this one with you guys. Share my screen here with you guys. I'm gonna quickly share this one with you guys. So I want you guys to see this one. Oh, this one has been crazy. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see this one. So I'm just gonna quickly go back. I'm just gonna quickly go back and just do this like this. This account is crazy. This account is crazy, guys. You guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but then we've moved this account from 500 rand to 2,600 and yeah, 263,000. I mean, yo, I'm hyped. 263,468 rands from 500, from a deposit of 500, and then the profit is 2,000. As you guys can see, the withdrawal is there, minus 263,968. The balance is still the same, negative. On this one, there was no credit. Because it was a different broker. So this one doesn't offer bonuses and all that. So yeah, I want you guys to just see and witness the power of forex. Like, forex is a very powerful tool if you have the necessary skill. So let's go into the charts, guys, and let me give you guys the actual skills and a bit of market tips on how to actually be able to move those accounts of yours from small accounts to big accounts, you know. But then at the end of the day, proper risk management is needed for you to just be able to grow in forex, because as you guys can know, without proper risk management, obviously you will die. But then you should be able to actually capitalize on some of the good trades that you see. Don't be going for but then it depends on your trading style, you know, that you can't be going for 0. Lot size 0.01 while you're trading like currencies, and then you're trading for probably for 5 minutes. You hold in a position for 5 minutes, unless if it's like the fundamentals that are driving the markets and all that, then you'll be able to capitalize from that in a shorter period of time. But then if there are no markets and there are slow market movements, then you need to hold your trade for a long period of time. We know 0.01, it doesn't move on currencies. It's not the peak value of GBP USD won't be the same as the peak value of Nasdaq, your whatever, your indices. Let me say just your indices and all that. So, okay, guys. So I'm gonna give you guys like a few tips on how to trade and all that, how to capitalize and all that. So you guys can actually follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna drop our link there, our Instagram link here, so you guys can follow there and check our work out there. And then I'm gonna give you guys those market tips there. So our thing is it's not writing this thing. Yo, just check us out, guys, at yeah, it's doing now. It's been giving me problems. Weeks 100 underscore kings. This is our Instagram thingy there. Just make sure you follow us there on Instagram and all that. We will appreciate your love, and then we would like to hear from you guys and all that. Yeah, but then at the end of the day, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the vibes. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys like the 3 forex market phases. So we know that there's like this first movement there. You have like a movement that goes something like that, and then push to the upside, push to the downside, push to the upside, push to the downside. So this happens when we have like the market moving in a horizontal way. You know, it moves a horizontal way, whereby you have this upper line will be your resistance, and then this lower line will be your support. This will be called your consolidation. So that's where price is bouncing off like two places. It's not going up or either down. It's moving like along those two lines. It's more like when you bounce a tennis ball inside a house, and then it goes and hits your ceiling, comes back to the floor, back to the ceiling, back to the floor. So, okay, you have your consolidation. That's number one. Then the second movement, you'll have the downtrend. This is whereby price moves to the downside, but then not in a single shot to the downside, but then it moves, creating like your I'm gonna tell you guys what it creates and all that just after I finish drawing the structure there. So the market will be trapped in a downtrending type of structure. It will be moving to the downside, but then it does not shoot like once. I think this movement to the downside, like shot to the downside straight, was one with the Squid Game coin. It just like shot to the downside in one go. So with this one, it actually creates your lower lows and then your lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It moves like that. You have your lower lows and your lower highs. So then the third movement that we'll be going into, that movement that we'll be checking will be our uptrending type of structure, whereby price will move moving to the upside, but then not shooting like straight to the upside in one go. It moves, creating that pattern right over there that I'm going to show you guys. It moves along those trends, those trending lines. So yeah, you have your okay, those lines. The lower line there will be called our uptrending support, and then this one on top will be our uptrending resistance. So price moves along this two lines, in between those two lines, and then you have your higher high and your higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. That's how the market moves. So the tips that I'm gonna give you guys, it's how to actually analyze the charts. So when you're analyzing the charts, guys, you need to go from your higher time frame to your lower time frames. This is what we call a top-down analysis. So from your higher time frames, you get your market structure. You find out if your market is in a downtrending type of structure or an uptrending type of structure, or your market is in a consolidation. So without any further ado, you guys can see we are caught in the weekly time frame. So with the weekly time frame, and we are looking at GBP USD. So in the weekly time frame, what I can see, you need to spot your movements very quick. So now it's the weekend, so there are no market movements. I'm just giving you guys, like, it's more of a forecast or what you need to be on the lookout for during the week. Guys. So I want to give you guys this few quick thingies. So as you can see, we are caught in a small consolidation here. I want you guys to just see that thing there. I'm gonna clone this one, drag it to the downside there. So yeah, you guys can see we are caught in a consolidation type of structure. So this is what we are seeing on the higher time frame, the weekly time frame. So you need to build, like, you build more confluence. You just, as you guys have been following, if you guys have been following us and you have seen our previous videos from last year, you will understand, or we go from the higher time frame, then we go down to the lower time frames. We're just trying to build more confluence and just build more evidence when we are trading. I mean, more confidence when we are trading whatever instrument we'll be trading. It's more like we want to get like the proper setup. We are trying to find a setup whereby we'll be able to capitalize fully so on that setup. So we are in the weekly time frame, and we saw we were caught in a consolidation. So we're gonna go down to the daily time frame and just see what is happening in that. We'll be focusing in that consolidation. We just want to see what's happening in that consolidation. So in this consolidation, I want us to zoom out a bit, and by zooming out a bit, we can see we have a few areas whereby the market has been moving there. So as we can see, guys, we have this area here, this key area in the market whereby price has been playing around there. You guys can see we have a lot of touches on this area. So I like to use my rectangles because I know that a support or a resistance, it's more of an area, it's more of a zone instead of a what's this thing? Yo, I'm sorry guys about the noise. Let me mute for a sec. Okay, so I'm back again, guys. Yeah, it has been like there was like a bit of noise. It was gonna disturb the entire thing. So yeah, what I was saying is that I like to use my rectangles because I know that a support or a resistance, it's not a line, it's more of an area. It's more of an area, not a line. If you use a line, you're not gonna be as accurate, like, so I like to cater for all the touches using this thingy, this rectangle. So by seeing this on the daily time frame, I can see that we are caught in this structure here, which will be let me use a pen there so you guys can see, because I've seen in other videos I've been saying this and that, but then the mouse was not appearing. So I'm gonna use this color there so you guys can see. So I'm checking out this movement here. I'm seeing that we have like a downtrending type of structure there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cater for that structure there. I'm gonna draw my trends there. So for your trend line to be valid, guys, you need 2 or more touches you need 2 or more touches. So my first touch on this trend will be this one on top, then the second one will be somewhere over there. Then I'm gonna take another trend. This will be our downtrending support. You need 2 or more touches. You need 2 or more touches. You need 2 or more touches for the trend to be valid. So by me seeing this, I can see this thing has touched like the support, you know, it has touched the support 3 times. So I'm actually anticipating for price to move and shoot all the way to the upside, right? Because what I'm seeing here, I'm gonna show you guys with this rectangle also, because we have more supports. Like you don't have one support, whatever, like one resistance, because at the end of the day, forex is all about breakout and retest. They can lie to you and tell you there's another strategy and all that. There is no such. It's all breakout and retest. But then one thing for sure, you need to pay for mentorship. Like if you need to pay for mentorship, then you need to pay for mentorship so that you guys don't actually struggle somewhere along the way. So with me, I've been struggling here and there, but then I found my way because I was there dedicated. You don't want to be spending like your entire day on the charts the same way I did. Like the way I taught myself, it was not a nice come up. You know, my come up was very difficult. It was very stressful. I went through depression, you know, all of those things, because I was always isolated, always losing money, you know, stuff like that. So okay, with that being said, guys, I want you guys to take this structure that I drew down here. As you guys can see, it's being highlighted by those circles and all that, that it is a potential support, right? It is a potential support also there. It was a resistance at some point, and then now it is turned into a support. So okay, let's dive into the 4 hours and see what's happening in the 4-hour time frame. You need to take your time when you analyze and just check your analysis. So you guys, if you guys are into forex, you know your reversal patterns. So there's a possibility of a reversal pattern forming on this support that we drew down there. As you guys can see, let me show you guys there. Let me zoom out a bit so that you guys can see there. Oh, this thing is not cooperating. So okay, I think this is the highest it can go. So I'm gonna go down into my lower time frame, into the hourly time frame, and just see what's happening there. I'm building more confluence, guys. I'm building confluence. So what I can see is that there's this trend here, also a trend in this huge, this bigger trend that we drew there. So yeah, you must know that in forex there are false breakouts and all that. Yeah, you know, most banks are trying to trap people and just, you know, stop people out. Yeah, so for you paying mentorship, it will be like for your own benefit and all that, because somewhere along the lines your mentor will teach you how to, like, you know, spot those fake breakouts and all that. We call them fake outs. So you'll be able to spot those. You don't need to teach yourself like everything from the ground up. You're actually giving someone to help you build the foundation, then you push yourself up. So yeah, as VIX Analytics Kings, we also do offer mentorship. All you need to do is check us out on Instagram, or then you can go to Facebook. We have a group there. You check VIX 100_Kings is the same. It's only the YouTube channel that is like VIX _100 Kings. So yeah, guys, without any further ado, let's continue with our analysis. So we are seeing that this downtrend, it's actually now narrowing to the downside. You can see that it's closing in. Just this alone shows that the push momentum to the downside is actually running out, because the trend is getting narrower and narrower and narrower. So yeah, what we are anticipating, we're seeing, or there's a possibility of a double bottom forming there. I'm gonna draw this for you guys. I'm gonna draw this one for you guys so you guys can be on the same page with me, you know, so you can be running with the big boy, you know, part of the big boys. But I'm low key, but then yeah, you see there's a double bottom type of structure forming there. As you guys can see, as a whole, you can see, right, man, this thing is coming. This thing is coming along. It's giving me that reversal pattern. So you can use your 15 minutes time frame for entries to spot entries. I'm gonna give you guys these tips. Yeah, man. So as you go down, you dive deeper into your time frame. You'll see your okay, sorry for that. You'll see your man. There's potential. I can see your there like there's hammers there down there. It just shows your price is failing to push to the upside, but then also you can see your this area there, this level is strong. Let me draw a horizontal line so that you guys can see which area I'm talking about. I'm gonna draw a horizontal line there. So yeah, as you guys can see, this area here, like it's very strong. This area whereby there are like a ton of what are those? I forgot those pin bars and all that. So yeah, you can see by those pin bars or this area there is like super strong, super strong. But from you knowing your reversal patterns and all that, you will see this thing has been creating more of a head and shoulder type of structure, an inverted head and shoulder. I mean, you have like an inverted head and shoulder type of structure, and then a break and a breakout and retest. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna show you with my pen there what the breakout and retest. You can see that price came in, it failed to break above, it came down there, it broke above finally this level, it broke above this level, came for a retest. So now you're looking for a possible push to the upside. So now with this push, I'm anticipating now because I know, right? I know, nah, man. There's like a possibility for price to just push all the way to the upside. And just break this uptrending resistance. There's a possible break of this structure, but also we need to cater for this area here. I'm gonna show you guys quick. We need to cater for this area down here because it may be a possible resistance there, but then once price breaks out of this resistance there, let me just forecast for you guys quickly there so that we move on to bigger things. I'm gonna need my brush. So we're anticipating for price to break, come back, retest these two structures, then push to the upside. So this push, we wanna capitalize on like 90% of this downtrend, 90% of this downtrending movement. So you guys can be looking for buys as of Monday. You can be looking for buys, and then if ever you see an entry on the 15 minutes time frame, capitalize on that, take your buys and all that. When price breaks out, comes for a retest, take your buy over there. Then yeah, you will apply your own risk management and all that, you know, with in terms of stop losses and your lot sizes. And then yeah, you take profit, you can put it over at 1.32046. So they will tell you, you can't pass out signals during the weekend, but then there's no change. The only difference between a weekend and a weekday is that the market moves. Now on a weekend, you have like more time to actually analyze and just prove your analysis over and over and over and over again. But overall, guys, with GBP USD, we'll be looking for buys. As of Monday, I tell you, it'll push to the upside. Then I'll keep on making more videos for you guys, and then hopefully I'll be giving you guys more and more analysis. Hopefully we will all make money. But then at the end of the day, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram. And then you can join our group on Facebook, Bigs100_Kings. The same with Instagram, Bigs100_Kings. So our YouTube channel is like the only page I made a mistake. Yo, it's a Maza though, it's a Maza. But then at the end of the day, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your boy Khontamurake, the certified VIX 100 King, signing out. Hopefully I'll come back with more fire, but then I've shown you guys that you don't really need a lot of money to make money on forex. All you need is the skill, and you need to you need to actually focus on mastering the skill. Once you master a skill, you'll be set for life. Forex is a skill. It's a skill that once you actually master, you are set for life. That's one thing for sure. You will never go broke. If you are learning how to trade, you'll never go broke, my guy. You are not broke. You are actually on your first or your 20th step into reaching like what's this, abundance, life of abundance. Don't let anyone tell you guys otherwise, that like you can't achieve this and this and this and that. You you and the time you put into the charts will determine your future. No one else has like the power to just come and tell you like you'll never achieve this or whatever. Take this from me. That one gent that was able to flip 150 rands to 10,000 in 3 days, that gent that was able to flip like 500 rands to 263,000 in one day. And I've showed you guys the withdrawal and all that. Like I've shown you guys the screenshots and all that. Yeah, so you guys are seeing what I'm showing you guys, like legitimate things. At the end of the day, when you are looking for mentorship or whatever, signals or any type of forex thing, any type of forex help, just don't look at the people that have like materialistic stuff. Go for people that are legit. Go for people that are legit. Don't go for scams. If you are scammed in this industry, it's all on you. Like that one is for sure. I'm sorry, but then it's true. If you are scammed in this industry, it's all on you, because you need to just check some things. You need to just check for yourself. If I am a mentor and I come to you and I say, I'm selling you signals for 5,000, then next week you hear me saying, man, my signals are on promotion. No, they're like for 500 rands. And when are you paid for 5,000? Then the next guy pays for the same package for 500 rands. You'll see, no, man, there's something wrong there. Even if your mentor woke up on the like right side of the brain, of on the right side of the bed, like it still doesn't make sense. It doesn't sense out, man. So on some of the things you need to apply like common sense. You don't need to be a genius on all that to just figure out this thing is a scam. But this thing is a scam. I'm not saying nah, those guys that are living like the fancy lifestyles and all that are scams. No, some of the gents are just legit, but then there are those ones we know. I'm not gonna do those like point. I'm not gonna point fingers, but then we know them. We know them. At the end of the day, I hope you guys found this video very educational, and I hope you guys will actually capitalize off of this signal. Either way, your boy, the certified Vix 100 King Honze, is signing out, and I'm giving you guys mothers the best of luck when it comes to your trading. See you guys on the other side. Hope you guys don't forget to like and subscribe, and also just follow us on Instagram. That will be highly appreciated. Thank you.